Hi, I'm Ralph from Ralph Knows Food, and I'm coming to you this morning from Chick-fil-A. The reason I'm here this morning to start off this video is because the recipe today is going to be one of the items that is no longer on the Chick-fil-A menu. That item is coleslaw. Now, they've dropped several items besides coleslaw, also carrot and raisin salad, and the chicken salad sandwich on whole wheat toasted. Those were fan favorites for a long, long time. And a lot of people love Chick-fil-A, especially women, and the women loved those items. So why aren't they on the menu anymore? Well, they make everything fresh in the stores. It's kind of labor intensive. And initially, when they were serving those items, they didn't serve breakfast. They didn't open till lunch. So they had plenty of time to be making these items fresh from scratch in each store every single day. But they're kind of labor intensive. And once they started serving breakfast, things changed because now they had lots of things to do in the morning. And they had more and more locations outside of malls with drive-throughs. And so they became even busier. So combining being busy with breakfast, don't have a lot of time for being labor intensive. Those items are great items. So today's recipe is going to be the Chick-fil-A coleslaw because in my opinion, it was one of the best coleslaws on the market that you could get anywhere from anybody. Join me back in the kitchen. I'm going to show you how it's made. Okay, welcome into my kitchen. It is time for us to get started on the Chick-fil-A coleslaw. However, before I get started, I need to do a quick shout out to my wife. This is our anniversary today. 45 years today, and she has put up with me having a YouTube studio in our kitchen for the last 3 years. Great woman, wonderful wife, and I've got to ask you, what is the craziest thing that your spouse or girlfriend, boyfriend has put up with you? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. With that said, let's get started. This recipe is calling for 20 ounces of cabbage. Now, they would have started out with the whole heads of cabbage, cored them, and then put them into a giant food processor. I don't have a giant food processor. And as you might know from some previous videos, I've kind of had a sketchy history with this one. It's one that I got for free. With that said, I am going to try to use this, even though it's on the small side, to get our slaw all chopped up. Now, it's already sliced. If you just want to do it with the big slices like this, you're welcome to it. But Chick-fil-A, they're used to having tiny chopped cabbage in their coleslaw. So that's the way I'm going to do it. Pulse this a little bit. And that's about right. This is about the size we're looking for if you're going to be doing the chopping like I am. Do my carrots here. I was very precise with my carrot measurement. I used my scale as I did for the cabbage. I'm not going to make you go through all of this. I'm going to come back in just a moment when it's all done. And there we go. Okay, now it's time to make the slaw dressing. Simple, just a handful of ingredients. Starting out with sugar. 1/4 cup. I've got a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of dried mustard powder. I've got 4 teaspoons of white distilled vinegar. Ooh, I have no idea how much I just put in, but I'm going to guess that's plenty. Got my little blender here. I love this thing, use it all the time for doing scrambled eggs, what have you. Now, time to add some mayonnaise in here. 1 cup. Get that blended in.
And I have to admit, the original solution was fairly shallow, so I think I kind of sprayed myself really well. But this dressing is looking great. Make sure everything is nicely well dissolved in there. Time to add it to our slaw. Get that all folded in. It's starting to look terrific already. Now there's going to be one more step after this before we can actually serve it, and that's to put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours so that all the flavors can be blending together. So with that said, this is looking great right here. See how that's turning out. Nicely covered. So I'm going to stick this in the refrigerator, and I'll be back in about 2 hours. Okay, I've got this out of the fridge. This looks legit, just like the real thing did. Right now, think about what your favorite side item at Chick-fil-A is. Let me know in the comments down below. In the meantime, let's see what this tastes like. This is awesome. Look at that. Lots of liquid in there to keep it all moist. Great flavor. Your family is going to love this. I know as much as mine is going to. If you're enjoying the video, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the like button. If you're on a mobile device, consider hitting that hype button for me. And please leave me a comment. Love the comments. Let me know where you're commenting from. I'm always amazed by all the spots in the world people are commenting from. So with that said, I'll catch y'all the next time. Bye-bye.